Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Siri on iOS 27. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General, then select Software. Update and make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS 27. Once you've confirmed the update is installed, return to the main settings screen. Next, scroll down and tap Siri. If you've recently upgraded to iOS, you may see a new option to join the latest Siri experience. Tap Join to begin the setup process. Choose your preferred activation phrase, such as Siri or Hey Siri. Follow the on-screen prompts and repeat a few sample commands to train Siri to recognize your voice. Hey Siri, what's the weather today? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, give me directions. Home? Hey Siri, play some music. After completing the voice setup, tap Continue. Your Siri configuration is now complete. If you've joined a waitlist for new Siri features, you'll be able to access them once your request is approved. That's it. Siri is now ready to help you with everyday tasks on your iPhone.